subscribe. Adventure of a Pup. A magical garden explodes with vibrant colors where jelly bean green grass meets rainbow flowers. Sunny Pup bursts from his polka dot doghouse, his golden fur gleaming in the morning light. His floppy ears bounce as he bounds, in his tail a joyful blur. Sunny Pup, tail wagging, looks up, eyes sparkling with joy. With boundless delight, Sunny Pup barks, "Woof, oof! What wonderful weather will we have today?" Suddenly Sunny descends, a radiant sun with a dazzling smile. "Hi, I am the sun. I give you the sunlight in Rainbow Garden." Sunlight kisses every petal and dew clings to each leaf, as if nature holds its breath in anticipation. When sun shines, everything feels warm and bright. Sunny Pup declares, "Sunny the sun makes the flowers grow tall and the butterflies dance." Sun fills the world with light and cheer. With a gentle splash, Raindrop bounces in, creating puddles that sparkle like sapphires. Raindrop joyfully announces, "Splish, splash!" In Raindrop, Sunny Pup leaps joyfully into a puddle, spraying water everywhere. Raindrop waters the garden and paints rainbows in the sky. Without Raindrop, the flowers would be thirsty and the grass wouldn't be so green. Sunny Pup exclaims, "The wind spins the pinwheels. Wind gives us breeze." Sunny Pup ears flap gently in the breeze. His tail wags slightly as he looks at the vibrant garden. Windy helps leaves dance, kites soar, and cools us on hot days. She makes everything move and play, from the cotton candy cloud. Snowflake descends, covering the garden in a soft, shimmery blanket. "Hello, Snowflake," she whispers. Sunny Pup joyously rolls in the fresh snow. He barks. Snowflake makes everything magical and so bright. She brings snow days, snow angels, and sparkling fun for everyone. Sunny Pup, Sun, Raindrop, and Windy frolic. There's their laughter ringing through the air. They dance around in joy. The garden pulsates with vibrant color. I watch them, feeling a warmth spread through me. Under a rosy pink sky, Sunny Pup stands amidst the vibrant flower beds, his tail expressing his joy as the sunset casts long shadows. Every kind of weather is special in its own way. With friends like Sun, Raindrop, Windy, and Snowflake, every day is a weather wonder. Every kind of weather is special in its own way. With friends like Sunny, Raindrop, Windy, and Snowflake, every day is a weather wonder. The friends hug, their colors blending into a bright, glowing rainbow. Friends' voices echo, "Let's play again tomorrow." Sunny Pup curls up in his doghouse, ready for dreams. The moon casts a gentle glow over the magical garden. Rainbow Garden awakens with the first light of dawn. Butterflies flutter among the blossoms, their wings catching the light. The air is filled with the promise of a new day. Sunny Pup bursts from his doghouse, brimming with morning excitement. He gazes skyward, anticipating the day's adventures. Sunny Pup winks, tail wagging with infectious enthusiasm. With sunshine, a little rain, a gentle breeze, a sprinkle of snow, and a happy pup by your side. Every day is a bright, colorful adventure.
Rats in the hall.
In a golden field bathed in sunlight, cheerful country mouse inhabits a cozy burrow. He nibbles on seeds, savoring the simple joys of nature. He sips water from a clear stream, relishing the gentle breeze. In a golden field, the town mouse arrives, his city attire contrasted with the rustic surrounding. He extends a paw as an invitation to a world of feasts and city lights. The promise hangs in the air. Is a taste of the grand life awaits. The country mouse carefully wraps a crumb of cheese. The country mouse and town mouse begin their journey to the city. They scamper through fields, leaving countryside behind. The town mouse's house stands magnificent, its tall walls and shiny floors glittering with unimaginable wealth. Tables groan under the weight of cakes, cheese, and jellies. A feast for the eye. The country mouse surveys the scene, eyes wide with awe at such abundance. Two mice emerge onto the table, anticipation sparkling in their eyes. One mouse starts to nibble on the delicious treats. An undercurrent of tension simmers beneath their feast. The door splinters open, and a pair of ferocious dogs burst into the home. Panic floods the room. As the mice scatter, their tiny hearts pounding in terror, whiskers twitching, they vanish into the safety of a hidden hole in the wall. The country mouse's heart pounds against its tiny ribs, a frantic drumbeat against the chaos. The country mouse's voice trembles as it whispers, "Is it always like this?" The town mouse dismisses the danger with a shrug. "You get used to it, but the food is worth the risk." In the depths of a grimy hole, the country mouse emerges cautiously, his whiskers twitching with palpable fear. Below, a relentless pack of dogs patrols the floor. Their savage sniffs cut through the silence as they hunt. He imagines his peaceful burrow, the sun-drenched fields, and the starry nights a sanctuary far removed from this terrifying hunt. The country mouse smiles kindly. "Thank you, but I'd rather have simple food and safety than fancy feasts and fear." The country mouse scurries away. In the clamor of the city fading behind, he races toward the serene quiet of his countryside home. The country mouse returns to his burrow as the golden sun sets, a sense of peace washing over him. Birds sing their sweet melodies, and the wind whispers through the tall grass, embracing him in nature's embrace. Air breathes deeply, finding solace and contentment in the simple sanctuary he calls home. In the quiet of his cozy burrow, the country mouse savors his modest supper. Contentment washes over him as he drifts into peaceful sleep. gratitude warming his heart. The country mouse wakes to a beautiful morning's stillness blankets the golden field. The country mouse rises and takes a deep breath, savoring the fresh air. Peace radiates from the landscape as the country mouse appreciates the tranquil surroundings. Beside the clear stream, the country mouse pauses to drink, captivated by the dance of the fish. The country mouse begins his ascent up the tall tree, feeling the rough bark beneath his paws. He finds a sturdy branch and settles amidst the pine canopy, where sunlight filters through the leaves. He closes his eyes, listening to the forest's whispers carried on the breeze, scented with pine and damp earth. The country mouse reflects on the forest's peace, realizing happiness comes from contentment and safety, not luxury or excitement. In the expansive golden field, the country mouse notices a field mouse collecting seeds.
The crow and the fox.
My smile bright as I offer assistance. We share a simple meal of berries and nuts. The golden field stretches out, a testament to nature's generosity. Under the vast night sky, the country mouse sits outside his humble burrow, gazing at the celestial wonder above. Serenity envelops the country mouse as he contemplates his secure existence. The country mouse remains still surrounded by the quiet splendor of the countryside. The country mouse nestles into his bed, surrounded by the gentle scents of grass and wildflowers. His eyes close, and he begins to drift into a dream-filled sleep. He dreams of peaceful fields under a canopy of starry night. The town mouse, weary and worn, makes his way back to the golden fields of the countryside. He approaches entrance to the country mouse's burrow, his steps faltering. With a wide smile, the country mouse stands before his simple burrow, the scent of wildflowers filling the air. He welcomes the town mouse with open arms, inviting him to share a humble meal. The promise of simple fare hangs in the air. Seeds, water, offered with heartfelt hospitality. The town mouse eats the simple meal, surprised by its flavor. The town mouse pauses, a moment of realization crossing his face. The town mouse realizes he has been chasing luxury at the expense of his own well-being. In the expansive golden field, the town mouse bows. Hello, genuine gratitude etched on his face. He expresses heartfelt thanks to the country mouse for the unforgettable hospitality. Enchanted, he decides to prolong his sojourn in the idyllic countryside. Eager to relish its peaceful allure, the country mouse and the town mouse wander together through the golden field, bathed in sunlight. A gentle breeze rustles through the crops, carrying a sense of contentment. They walk, each mouse carrying a newfound understanding of contentment and safety against the vibrant canvas of the setting sun. The two mouse are silhouetted, watching together. A gentle breeze whispers through the tall grass, carrying the sweet scent of wildflowers. In comfortable silence, They sit, absorbing the beauty and serenity of the countryside. A bond of mutual respect and understanding deepens between them. Under the vast starlit sky, the country mouse and the town mouse sit, their silhouettes still stark against the horizon. A gentle rustling whispers through the golden field, enveloping them in a sense of quiet gratitude.
Cunning wolf.
Sunlight shines through the trees and beautiful flowers. The leaves whisper as the trees sway in the breeze. A large, hungry wolf moves through the forest. Wolf finds a big bone, eyes shining with excitement. He chomps on the bone, loud crunches echoing through the quiet woods as he feasts. Suddenly, the feasting stops. Distress flashes across Wolf's face as he clutches at his throat. Wolf coughs violently, struggling to dislodge a bone caught in his throat. Panicked Wolf leaps wildly, desperate to free himself. He spins in frantic circles, his tail a blurry whirl. Beside the tranquil pond, Crane moves with graceful elegance, her white feathers gleaming under the sun. She gently searches the ground for pebbles and bugs. Wolf spots Crane across the clearing. He rushes towards her, paws waving frantically. "Help me! Please, I beg you! I promise you a reward." Crane trembles, her feathers ruffled by nerves, as she offers help, eyes showing fear and resolve. Her voice wavers as she says, "I'll help you. Wolf, please, open your mouth wide." The cavernous depths of Wolf's mouth loom, a maw filled with rows of jagged teeth. Crane carefully stretches her long neck and beak into the darkness. Crane carefully removes the bone. Wolf swallows, relief washing over him. Wolf jumps up and down, celebrating his newfound voice. He cheers, overjoyed to speak freely once more. Crane stands tall, a gentle smile lighting his face. He turns towards Wolf, who waits with quiet patience on a fallen log. Crane's voice cuts through the calm as he asks, "And what about my promised reward, Wolf?" Wolf continues to sit patiently on the fallen log. Wolf stands tall, his laughter echoing through the forest, a sound filled with mockery and disdain. He falls silent, sarcasm in his voice. "You should be grateful I didn't eat you. Forget any reward." Crane walks away from Wolf, her face clouded with surprise and sadness. She pauses, sunlight glinting off the pond as she looks back. "I should have been more careful. Kindness shouldn't blind me to who someone truly is." Crane walks through the forest, eyes scanning her surroundings with new caution.